Now second article, that is theorem of perpendicular axis. So question should be asked for HSC board exam for 3 marks. State and prove theorem of perpendicular axis. So for that, draw a diagram first. So there are 3 axes, x axis, y axis and z axis. These are mutually perpendicular to each other. Here we consider a rigid body. This rigid body is rotated to x axis, y axis and z axis. Now a rigid laminar object able to rotate about 3 mutual perpendicular axes x, y, z. Axis x and y are in a plane of object and this z axis is perpendicular to it. Now consider a point mass dm at point P and join OP this. Draw PM perpendicular on x-axis and PN perpendicular on y-axis, x and y-axis. Then PN is equal to OM is equal to x. We write here PN is equal to OM is equal to x and PM is equal to OM is equal to y. These are opposite side, equal and parallel. So from figure in triangle OPM, this OPM, in that triangle OP is the diagonal, it is represented by letter R. OM is the base and MP is the height. According to Pythagoras theorem, we write OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square. Now substitute. OP is represented by letter R, so that is equal to R square. OM is equal to X square and PM is equal to Y square. When we substitute this value, then multiply by dm and integrating, we get our equation becomes integration of r square dm is equal to integration of x square dm plus integration of y square dm. So call this as equation number 1. Let Ix, Iy, Iz, these Ix, Iy, Iz are 3 moment of inertia of lamina about x axis, y axis and z axis. Then Ix equal to integration of y square dm, Iy equal to integration of x square dm and Iz equal to integration of r square dm by definition. So put this value in equation number 1, we get equation number 1 becomes r square dm integration is equal to Iz, integration of x square dm equal to Ix, integration of y square dm equal to Iy. So this is the proof of theorem of perpendicular axis. We get Iz is equal to Ix plus Iy. Now statement of theorem of perpendicular axis is stated that the moment of inertia of plane lamina about an axis perpendicular to its plane is equal to sum of its moment of inertia about 2 mutually perpendicular axes in the plane of lamina and intersecting at the point where the perpendicular axis cut the lamina. That means mathematically we can write here Iz is equal to Ix plus Iy. So that is the proof of theorem of perpendicular axis. So this question should be asked for 3 marks.
भरपूर शिल्लक आहे.